Tap on your mobile screen for some seconds and click on widget option. Now find the translate app option. Here you can see this is translate quick action widget. Second widget for translate app is saved translation. If you want to add any widget, click on add to desktop option. Here you can see this is saved translation widget. We can resize it. These are saved translation you can see. If you want to go on history, click on right arrow option. If you want to add translate quick action widget, again tap on screen. Follow previous method. This is translate quick action widget. Click on add to desktop option. Now tap on this icon for some seconds to resize this. Click on resize option and adjust according to your need. By clicking on left side icon, you can directly jump to text translation. To use voice translation, click on right side icon. It will open the interface of voice translation in Google Translate app.